When you turn the laser on, the cathode produces electrons which move through the gas towards the anode. One of these electrons collides with a gas atom. This collision gives one of the atom's own electrons the energy to jump into a higher orbit. As the electron falls back into its original orbit, it loses its extra energy in the form of a tiny burst of light rays called a photon. When this photon hits another energized atom, the atom produces its own photon with waves exactly in step with the first. These photons hit more energized atoms and a chain reaction starts. Growing numbers of photons bounce back and forth between the two mirrors, creating an intense beam. The beam builds in intensity until it bursts through the semi-silvered mirror as a laser beam.